Whoa, this Ninja Foodi Grill actually looks serious. The packaging feels premium, compact, and countertop friendly. Inside, you get grill, grate, basket, pot, and brush. This is basically a grill and air fryer in one. 5 cooking modes sound useful, not just marketing fluff. Grill, air crisp, roast, bake, and dehydrate pretty versatile. The black and grey finish looks clean and modern. Setup was simple, and the controls felt beginner-friendly. I like that the size suits family meals well. It handles steaks, burgers, fries, and roasted sides easily. The real standout is that 500-degree cyclonic grilling. It surrounds food with heat instead of just blasting one side. That means better searing, better char, better flavor. Honestly, the grill marks looked surprisingly close to outdoor cooking. And yes, it stays impressively smoke-free indoors. That's a big deal for apartments or small kitchens. I tested frozen food, and it cooked fast. No defrosting, no waiting, just straight to grilling. That convenience makes weeknight dinners much easier. The air fry mode is great for lighter comfort food. Crispy fries and snacks come out with less oil. Ninja says up to 75% less fat than deep frying. For health-conscious cooks, that's a real advantage. The non-stick surfaces also make cleanup much easier. Basket, pot, and grate are all dishwasher safe. That saves time after cooking, which I always appreciate. If you want indoor grilling without the usual mess, this works. If you want one appliance for multiple meals, even better. I'd recommend it for home cooks and grill fans. If you want healthier, crispy food, this is an easy yes. Overall, it feels practical, powerful, and genuinely worth it. If this fits your kitchen, I'd grab it now.